how to scan a QR code using your camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app, or you can open it from the app screen. Next, tap on the quick controls button, and then in the control toolbar, tap on settings. After that, go down and make sure you turn on scan QR codes. Once the toggle button has been switched on, we can then tap on the back key to return back to your camera. Now point the camera at the QR code and then tap on this button here to open link. You can copy it or you can share the QR code description. Here, this QR code type is a link, so I can simply tap on it to open up the link. So here, this will open up a website and go to this manufacturer's website for the tempered glass. And that's it. So another option for you to use is the widget from your quick settings panel. So here at the top, I can swipe down, then swipe down once more. From here, I can tap on this QR code reader. So tap on that and then point your QR code app at the QR code. And from here, I can tap on the link to open it. So open up the link. I can copy it to my clipboard. Now in here, I can also use the flashlight to turn on the flashlight, or I can scan a QR code from an image. So here I can take a picture of the QR code. If someone sends you the QR code, you can open up the image. So we swipe down at the top, then tap on QR code. And from here, we can tap on the image icon, then tap on that. And from here, I will zoom it right in and then tap on done. And then I can open a link. So that is another way how you can read the QR code from an image. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.